Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with a MANKER MK37. So this is a new one from MANKER. Now it's a little bit of a different light. I haven't sort of seen this too much, but I have seen it on a bit of the MANKER stuff. But before I get in there, I'll just run you through what you get with it. So obviously it comes in a case like this. You get a full holster for it, which is great. Being quite a big light, it's nice to know you get a full holster and not just sort of a half one. Runs off 3 18650 batteries. Now it's not rechargeable, so you're going to need a charger as well with this, but it's a maximum output of 5,800 lumens, and that's coming out of one LED. That's a luminous SBT90 Gen 2 on a what they're calling is a PMMA TIR lens. So a little bit of a different looking lens on this one to your traditional TIR lenses, which are sort of like the whole front end. It's sort of got a tiered down look to it. I'll see if I can get a bit of that on camera for you, just to show you how sort of different it is. But it creates a really nice beam, really good hotspot, and some excellent throw. It's rated around just over 900 meters. Usable distance though, you're probably going to get around that 600-700 meter mark. But yeah, it is a really nice beam on it. Very surprised with the way the reflector looked, and they're sort of what they're calling is a PMMA TIR lens. Haven't seen it before, and yeah, from all accounts it works quite well. I haven't had any dramas with it getting distance wise. Really functional light. Not crazy heavy, pretty much just the weight of the 3 18650s you've got in there. And a little bit of an added bonus is you get a tripod and mount adapter. Comes with a lanyard, a few O-rings and things like that. But other than that, I mean, the interfaces on the MANKER stuff, if you're not familiar with it, are a little bit different. So it's a simple press and hold to go on. I'll run through the modes first. So you've got your moonlight mode, which is super low. It's like 0.1 of a lumen for 70 hours. Then you got your low mode, which is 70 lumens for about 30 hours. You got your mid mode, which is 400 lumens for 9-10 hours. Mid 2 is your 1100 lumens for 4 hours. And those two modes are really nice because it just throws out that, because of the TIR lens in there, you get some really good distance, so you don't need it to be crazy bright. Because the hotspot is, so where you're pointing it is really nice. And yeah, you're going to get distances with that 480 lumens or 400 lumens or that 1100 lumens really easily. Then you go jump up to your high mode, which is your 2800 lumen mark for 1 hour and 40 minutes. And then your turbo, which is your 5800 lumens for 1 hour and 25 minutes. So still some good run times, and obviously if you're running 18650s, you can grab a couple extras, extend that even more. But I'll just give you a close-up look of how tight that beam is. So to turn it on, and with the sort of MANKER stuff in general, the button is a little bit strange. So all you do is you have to hold it down and then to cycle through the modes. So get this to cycle up. There you go, and it'll just stop on high. And then to get it to go back down, all you have to do is hold it to go back down, and it just sort of cycles down. So say I'm on a mid mode and you left it on there for a little bit, no matter what, it'll go back down before it goes up. So then if you wanted to go straight back up, you'd have to go back down to the bottom to go back up, which isn't a big deal. But as you can see, the further I hold this away, so the nicer it looks on camera. You can see that hotspot doesn't really change too much. Yeah, it is really nice. And that's only on high, so if I go back down to a sort of a medium mode, a bit easier to see. About the size of my hand. Really good light. Not crazy cool light, so it does have a little bit of that sort of neutral tinge to it, which is really nice out at night looking at trees and things like that. Turbo though, like a lot of other torches, it's a quick double tap, gets you to turbo, and then a double tap to go back down, and then a single press off. So functionality does take a little bit to get used to, took me a little bit, but once you get it, it's fine. Acts very normal, and it does have a memory function too. So whatever last mode you're on, bar turbo, it'll go straight to that. So really cool light. I like that they give you a full holster for it too, and not just sort of a top holster or whatever. But yeah, go check them out, Manker. They got some great products. I'll drop a link to this one in the description below. And yeah, their whole range is really something to check out. And yeah, thanks for watching this one. Please feel free to like, subscribe. Really helps us out. Keep you notified for the next video to come out. We've got new content coming out all the time. So thanks for watching this one. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.